Like many Honda Africa Twin owners, I've wrestled with the back seat like it owes me money. This video aims to help you crack the mystery and finally understand what's really holding it hostage.
The back seat is secured by a total of 5 latch points, each designed to ensure structural stability and proper alignment during installation and removal. The seat is secured by 5 latch points, 2 long latches at the rear, 2 shorter latches at the front, and 1 centrally positioned latch that engages with the mechanical lock mechanism linked to the ignition key. To identify the root cause of the issue, we must examine the front seat assembly. The wear and tear marks observed on the center latch point indicate that the latch was not properly aligned during installation. This misalignment is the primary contributor to the seat release failure. The following steps outline the procedure I use to address the issue. Insert both palms into the gap between the front and rear seats. The initial objective is to separate the polyester seat surfaces, which may have adhered due to friction or compression over time. To achieve this, apply lateral movement by sliding your palms left and right within the gap to break any surface bonding. Pull the front seat forward. Once the surfaces are disengaged, apply steady forward pressure to the front seat toward the front of the bike. This procedure requires 2 operators to execute properly. Operator 1 should insert the key into the seat lock mechanism and maintain it in the unlocked position throughout the process. Operator 2 is responsible for handling the rear seat. With both hands, they should first apply upward force to slightly lift the rear seat. Next, apply forward force to shift the seat toward the front of the motorcycle. While maintaining this position, use the palms to apply upward pressure at the midpoint of the seat, creating a controlled flex in the seat base. This flex is critical to disengaging the rear latches. With the seat flexed and tension maintained, carefully lift the rear section of the seat to release it fully from the latch mechanism. To effectively illustrate the direction and method of force application, I have used a towel as a physical simulation of the rear seat. This allows for a clear visual demonstration of the flexing motion and hand positioning required to disengage the latch points during removal. With a few attempts and proper technique, the rear seat should successfully disengage from the latch mechanism. During front seat installation, apply downward pressure at the center of the seat to ensure proper alignment and engagement of the central latch mechanism. Simultaneously, push the front seat forward toward the front of the motorcycle to facilitate correct seating of all latch points. If the assembly has been completed correctly, turning the key should trigger the mechanical latch and allow the rear seat to pop up smoothly. This is also the recommended method to verify proper rear seat installation when collecting the motorcycle from the service or mechanical workshop.